You're welcome back to my channel. No, bro, no, bro, no, bro, no, no, shouldn't have done that. Oh my god. Okay, didn't go far, did not go far, though. I don't like that. So I think I should open a position already because the spike might be coming more and more. So I'm buying from there. So you can see I knew that markets will be buying very soon. That's why I started making the videos so as to catch the spikes for you guys to actually see how spikes how we catch spikes on boom and crash. So this boom 1000. So I'll show you guys my reason why I'm taking this trade. You don't even need an indicator to tell you when to buy or when to sell or how to catch spikes. You can just look at the charts. You'll be your own indicator. Or do you understand? You'll be your own indicator. You make your decisions and make money. It's very simple. It's very simple. All you need to do is watch this video to the end, watch again over and over. It might not make sense to you the first time, the first two times, but if you keep watching them and keep practicing them as you're watching them, even if you want to have to watch this video for 10 days, take your time, watch the video for 10 days or 10 times. Then as you're watching, you are practicing what I'm doing. Trust me, you start making money already with just learning what I'll be showing you in today's video. Now, as usual, you need to move down to daily time frame when you want to trade at all, daily or weekly, depending. So now on my daily time frame, we have this level. We can see the market. It's a downtrend. It's a downtrend. But I think market is now tired of going down for a very long time. Markets will be buying pretty soon. It will be buying to start buying because we have a lot of spaces here. These levels that market has not traded since it left that place. So you might want to start buying. Apart from that, it has been going down for a very long time. So it will want to start buying and then to probably sell again. Do you understand? So I'm expecting market to boom to spike to this point or this other level before, if at all, there'll be a next drop or it will keep spiking more and more. Please like the video as you're watching. I love those likes. They are very important. Okay, so now what do you have to do now? Now we understand the market has been selling for a long time to start buying. And I think if you use this stuff here, you see that market has gone down for a very long time and it's time for market to start buying. Look at that. You can see the accuracy. So market has touched this last low. Market just touched this last low and it reversed from this last low. This structure here, this descending channel, just touched this downside of the indicator. All right. So this is it. Descending channel, guys. We have a descending channel right there. So now we've seen that. Then after that, we need to take note on the daily time. We need to take note. Daily time frame is very important. You need to understand the structure on the daily time frame, and also understand the candlestick, and also understand where the market is coming from and where the market is going to. Now the market was going down for a long time, and then you can see just touch this level, this side, and it will be pushing the price upward. Because remember when it touched this level before, see what the market did. Market went up. Okay, so it's likely going to do the same thing this time around, maybe to this point. Okay, so now we've seen that, and then we can see yesterday candlestick markets. Your daily candlestick is very important. Yesterday closed like this, very strong bullish. Yesterday printed a strong bullish candlestick, which is a reversal candlestick. This is a bullish engulfing candlestick. It's a reversal candlestick. So after this, you know that markets will be reversing. In most cases, it will do that reversal. Okay, so what do you do in a situation like this? You know that markets might want to pull back to a certain level before the next move. So it's just a pull back. It's a pull back. Okay, so after that, you know that markets will be going to this point, maybe. So now we have the candlestick, we have the previous day candlestick, we have the direction of the market, the next thing we have to do is move down to 4 hours time frame to actually to look at the structure. You go down to 4 hours time frame. You can see on the 4 hours time frame, we actually have a bullish structure right there. You have the higher high there and the higher low and higher high. So market coming back again to this point is to get down to higher low to give us another higher high. You can see that. So we've gotten that information now. That's what the market is actually doing. You might not be 100% sure, all right, but you, in most cases you will win the prediction. Okay, so that's what we're looking at. And again, you can see the rejection. You can see the rejection on the 4 hours time frame. The previous two candlestick, you can see this one, the massive rejection around this level. That shows this level is strong, and that's the reason why I placed this horizontal line right there, right there. Understand? You can see market rejected the second time and close strong bullish reversal candlestick, and the next candlestick closed a bit weak, but then markets will be buying. So that's why I decided to enter. Now this is a 4 hour structure, key level, 4 hours key level. That's why the market actually dropped down to this point before the buy. I didn't mean I saw it somewhere here. I would have taken it from here all the way up. So markets will be going up maybe to this level this time around. Now, after doing the structure, understanding the structure and seeing the candlestick on the 4 hours time frame, we now understand the pressure, where the pressure is. So what do we do next? We move down to 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we will start looking for reversal candlesticks. Reversal candlestick, we see in the 1 hour, we didn't see any reversal candlestick there. So we go to the 30 minutes time frame, and we did not really see anything right there on the 30 minutes time frame. So let's see on the 15 minutes. Nice. On the 15 minutes time frame, you can see we have this guy here, this candlestick that closed right there, this reversal candlestick. This is also a bullish engulfing candlestick, and whenever you see a bullish engulfing candlestick like this, which is stronger than, you can see, stronger than the previous 5 candlesticks, the previous 5 candlesticks, so it will be buying from there. So I didn't being the spike did not happen, we would have this way, would have entered, we would have entered here before the spike would have entered there. We would have still been in profits, we'll be in profits by now. So this way would have entered to make the money. So but I'm still expecting more spikes to that point, maybe to that point, but at least it will go far from there. All right, so now we've made an entry. You can see what I did there is pretty simple. If you can watch this video over and over, you understand. So now I've made an entry. I'll look for my SL. So my SL is below this level, below the low of that engulfing candlestick, and my TP should be at least 2 times or 3 times what I'm risking. In most cases, I love 3 times of what I'm risking. So about $30. Right, you can see that that's about $30. That's 3 times what I'm risking, but I can put TP1 around $15 target, right? And TP2 will be the $30 target. So I've opened like 5 or 6 positions there, and that means we'll be making with $30. If you hit $30 target, we'll be making that is about $240, right? Yeah, so that's how you trade. Remember, please like this video. Remember, daily time frame, bullish engulfing candlestick, where the market is coming from, blah blah blah, down to 4 hours time frame, the market structure, look at the pressure in the market, and then 1 hour time frame, start looking for candlesticks, entry candlesticks, reversal candlestick. So that's it. Now you can join the free Telegram channel. Check the description box to chat me up or join the free Telegram channel. I just started a challenge where we'll be making 5 to 10% targets every day. if you have $100, you can join $50, you can join, or more than $100, you can join this challenge. With just $100, you can be making 5 to 10% the accounts every day with our signals. Because why do I drop it to 5 to 10%? In most cases, if I give 10 signals, and mostly those 10 signals, at least sometimes 10, you hold 10 or 9 goes into profits immediately I open. So you're likely to see 5%, which is $5. Let's say you have $100 account, you're likely to see $5, or you're likely to see $10 before market reverses. Do you understand? So out of the 10, 9 could go in directly into profits, so you can easily make your 5% and lock out and maybe close out. Then out of the 9%, 6 might hit profits, all right, TP1 and 2, or 7 might hit profit TP1 and 2, and then 2 will now reverse, 2 or 3 will now reverse back to entry or something. Do you understand? So what am I trying to say here is, before the reversal happens, you might have made your 5%, but if the market keeps going, you can make your 10%. That's a good plan. That's a good challenge. That's what we're doing every 30 days. We make sure that we grow gradually. We make these profits. We compound the profits. Then when time comes, we increase our targets and keep doing like that. The idea is to make sure that we don't risk more than we should. Do you understand? It's discipline. And you see, in like 100 days or 90 days, you'll be able to, make so much. Because at some point, you increase the account from 100 to 200. That means you've increased your targets, daily targets, maybe to 1,000. You've increased your daily target to probably $50 to $100 every day. So it's a good challenge. It's a good stuff for anybody to join. So that's it, guys. I'll share a recording video of what we've done, what we've achieved so far from this very trade. All right, so watch to the end to be able to benefit or to see what later happened. Okay, so that'll be all for now. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Thank you. Well, look at that, guys. We got our spikes. Let's see. So we're in profits now. So this the target, and the target right there. So yeah, let's see what's gonna happen, guys. So this is what you do every time. You don't even have to add indicators, but if you want to add indicators, maybe in the next video I will show you guys indicators that you need to apply that will be assisting you to actually know the market trend. Okay, it's very important. But if you want to learn how to do it yourself without indicator, because you don't have to rely on an indicator, not in fact you don't even have to rely on anybody. You just want to know how to do this thing by yourself, so that if you're losing, you know that okay, you blame yourself and you learn from it. But if you are not doing it on your own by yourself, you start blaming indicators, you start blaming people for your own success. Do you understand? So someone or indicator is in charge of your success, decide if you're going to be successful in trading or not. So that's why you need to learn how to do this thing on your own. It's very simple. It's not hard. The challenge in trading is psychology. Psychology could be when you have challenges, it will mess up your psychology. Like you have financial relationship, and those challenges you're facing them to affect your psychology. You start making wrong decisions. So those are the things that affect the market. Apart from that, you'll be successful. I'll show you how to analyze the market. I'll teach you some psychology, risk management and all, and how to actually go about this trading stuff. Now, I can show you guys how to actually analyze the market without and know the market direction, where the market is going. That's one beauty about my strategy. You know where the market is actually going, right? And then those reversal candles. I'll teach you those stuffs and everything you need to know about how to actually analyze the market. So that means in 1 month's time, you start winning already. In 1 month's time, you start analyzing just like a pro. So yeah, that's it. Trust me up. Let's deal. Let's learn how to make money in 2026 and start making so much for ourselves. Okay, the image is right here.